Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. In this video, I'll share what is a microwave oven and some of its uses, microwave oven power and cycle times, and not all microwave ovens are created equal. Microwaves are electromagnetic energy with frequencies between 1 and 300 gigahertz. Your smartphone, smartwatch, and Wi-Fi uses microwave frequencies. Microwaves cause water molecules to vibrate. The friction produces heat. Many kitchens have an over-the-range or countertop microwave oven. Most are used to heat frozen foods, heat or boil liquids, melt butter and chocolate, and quickly cook foods. Most microwave ovens have a turntable for more uniform heating. Consumer microwave oven power ranges from 700 to 1000 watts. A few are rated 1100 to 1200 watts. Output power levels can be adjusted in 10% increments from 10% to 100%. Input power does not equal output power. Most recipes specify high power or a percentage of high power, like 70%. Assuming input and output power are equal, 70% power is not the same for a 1000 versus a 700-watt oven. Most consumer microwave ovens vary the on-off cycle time at 100% power. 10 minutes at 70% power means the oven is on about 7 minutes and off about 3 minutes. If 7 minutes at full power equals 10 minutes at 70% power, why not use full power and reduce the cooking time? Microwaves only penetrate foods about 1.5 inches. For thick foods, heat must conduct from the outside to the inside. It's the same as grilling and baking. Heat conducts from the exterior to the interior. Covering foods retains heat, allowing them to heat up faster. Thin, high water content foods, like fruits, vegetables, and sauces, heat up faster than thick, low water content foods, like meat and poultry. Reheating this meal on high power will produce scalding vegetables and warm chicken. It's the same for any food cooked or reheated in a microwave oven. Using lower power levels and longer cooking times allows heat to conduct through the food for more uniform heating. That reduces hot spots and overcooking, like this frozen meal's Alfredo sauce. Allowing microwave foods to rest for several minutes also helps distribute the heat. Stirring during and after heating is another way to distribute the heat. You need to replace your 1000-watt microwave oven. You find a model rated 1000 watts. You reheat a stew for 10 minutes at 30% power and discover it's cool, not hot. 1000 watts is input or consumed power, the power needed to operate the oven. It's not output power. Foods heated through using 30% power for 10 minutes may require 40% power in another oven. Millions of people use microwave ovens to thaw and heat frozen meals. Manufacturers warn consumers the food must reach 165 degrees. They omit the reason is to kill any harmful bacteria. Most people do not check the temperature of their frozen meal. An inexpensive instant read thermometer assures your foods are heated through. It can mean the difference between a safe and unsafe meal. especially since cook times are based on an 1100 watt or more oven. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching.